Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you see from that title and that thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a 3-week update on this unit. Remember the 37-inch lace front wig from Amazon? So if you haven't already, I'm going to leave the link to the video up top right there for you to watch. So from when I first installed this unit, I've been wearing this wig on and off for about 3 to 4 weeks. And as you can see, this is what the wig is looking like. It's still very much in good condition. It's not as silky as it was when I first tried it on, but that's what you get with every unit that you purchase and you keep wearing it for a number of wears over a period of time. It's not going to be how it once was, but if you handle it with care, these fake cuts will last you long. And I'm pleasantly surprised that this wig has held it up, especially because of how long it is. Getting a little bit of snatches, but it's nothing bad. Do you know what I mean? Like, you expect it to be really like knotty and tangly due to the fact that it's long, but you can just look, if I go closer, you can just see that it's getting just little tangles, nothing huge. Getting a bit of shedding.
What did he say?
Tiny, which is okay. This hair hasn't been straightened for a while. I'm so sorry about the light in this video. I still think it's in good condition. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and somebody in the comments wanted an update. So I just wanted to give this to you guys because this wig is going to be going very soon. This wig is not going to be here tomorrow because I'm selling her. I put her up on Vinted and somebody bought her. So this is going to be going into somebody else's home. I'll miss her. I'll buy her again though, if I ever need an affordable long wig. I'll definitely get her again, for sure. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update before she said bye-bye. One thing I did notice is that the ends are not as silky as it was first time putting it on, which is normal. Like, nothing a little straight I can't fix. I'm getting a little bit of snatches, but it's not major at all. As for the hairline, the hairline still looks good. It's just the baby hairs are just a little bit crispy because I haven't done them yet, and I'm not going to be installing this unit because, like I said, I need to send her off tomorrow and I need to style her and wash her before I do that. But yeah, the lace is still very good. Let me show you properly. So let me quickly take this off, you guys. Show you it properly. You might not be able to see it properly on my head. So I'm going to show you what it looks like off my head. See that, but this is, hold on, it's the hairline. And do you remember, guys, this is a 2-part slip, so a middle part, and it goes from ear to ear, and that's what you can do. If you want to shift it to the side, like I said from before, you can shift it to the side. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. 3 combs, 1, 2, right on at the bottom, and it has 4 straps. So this wig is very, very soft, so if you don't want to adjust the adjustable straps, you don't need to. If you want that extra securement, then go ahead and adjust the straps. So yeah guys, this is her. I would say if you're looking for a long affordable wig, get you her, because you won't be disappointed. She's very long, she gives off inches, okay? If you haven't seen my last video, I'll leave the link in this little corner up here to that video. You don't want to spend too much, but you want to give off that impression that yeah, this wig is expensive, get you her. It's from a store called Style Icon on Amazon. Type it up and you would literally see her there. You can't miss it. And even after a few wears, it's really not bad. It also highly depends on how you care for the hair as well. As you can see, it's not bad at all. I'm getting little tangles, but it's not major, like I said. Yeah, still in good quality, still got movement to it. Definitely a baddie on a budget wig. Just want to keep this video short and simple, and if you enjoyed, please leave a big thumb up and subscribe to my channel.